Hello, let's review the answers to your Wiser Unit Food Unit Day 6. Today we're learning about recipes and quantifiers. A recipe always includes the name of the dish, an introduction about how many servings, how long it will take to prepare, a list of ingredients and how much of each ingredient, and finally the preparation instructions. Okay, watch the video and then choose the best answer. This meal can be eaten by 4 people. It says here at the top, servings 4. How many ingredients? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. How much pesto is needed? Pesto, 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of pesto. What kind of pasta? This is a penne dish. I need penne pasta. It says it at the top there. Pasta is usually sold in 16 ounces. So this recipe says it needs 8 ounces. So I will need half a box. I don't need to use the whole box. Step 1 in the instructions says boil. Boil means you make the water very, very hot, 100 degrees centigrade or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. What comes first? This one's tricky. You add the green beans to cook with the noodles before you drain them. So first, add the green beans, then drain the noodles, then stir in the white beans. There are 3 parts of the recipe: ingredients, instructions, and introduction information. Let's sort them. Vanilla extract, ingredient. Serves 9 people. Introduction. Mix eggs and sugar. Instructions. Pinch of salt, ingredient. Salmon, ingredient. Melt butter, instruction. 45 minutes, introduction. Blueberries, ingredient. Sugar, ingredient. Oh, mistake, it said add. The verb makes it instruction. Milk, ingredient. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Instructions. Boil water. Instructions. A delicious soup for winter days. That sounds like introduction sentence. Parts of a recipe include the introduction, the ingredients, and instructions. Next, let's learn how to use measuring cups and spoons. For milk, we should use a liquid measuring cup, like this one. For sugar, I should use a solid measuring cup, this one. To measure a teaspoon, I should use a spoon set. Let's match the abbreviation and the word. Tablespoon. Tablespoon, big T and a B, tablespoon. Teaspoon has little t and SP, teaspoon. Cup, letter C, cup. Pound is, I don't know why, LB, pound. Ounce, OZ. And gallon, gal, GAL. Here are some cooking verbs. You can review them here. Peel, break, pour, stir, chop, slice, grate, drain, mix, mash, whisk, knead, flatten, squeeze, sprinkle, carve. Then you can play the game. Push play. Show a picture and you have to choose the word. Okay, that looks like boil. Chop. Fry. Cook with oil in a pan. Pour milk into the pot. Practice speaking out loud when you play these games. Sprinkle. Add. Add some salt. Grate some cheese. Grate. Melt. Melt the butter in the bottom of the pot. Bake the bread for 30 minutes. This could be mix or stir. I'm going to guess stir the soup occasionally. Mix together ingredients. Great job. Next, we review count and non-count nouns and some ways to use quantifiers. Let's practice. He doesn't eat much bread. Bread is non-count. He eats many kinds of cereal. He doesn't eat many eggs. Kinds and eggs are both countable. He doesn't drink much milk. He doesn't eat much cheese. Milk and cheese are both non-count. He doesn't eat much food at meals. He doesn't spend much money. Those are all non-countable nouns. Not much. All right. Next, we should choose a few or a little. When he's hungry, he eats a few nuts. Nuts are countable. He exercises for a few hours every day. Hours are countable. He only uses a little salt on his food. Salt is not countable. He also uses a little oil. Oil is a liquid. It's not countable. He eats, this one could be a few fish or a little fish. Usually fish is non-countable. He eats a few oranges every morning. He eats, a few kinds of fruit every day. Oranges are countable. Fruit is usually not countable, but I can use kind or piece to make it countable. And finally, here's a quiz. Choose the best answer and write below. I eat a rice, some rices, some rice. This one, some rice. C. Excuse me, I need any information, some information, a information, an information. Some. To make a sandwich, you need bread, butter, and cheese. To make a sandwich, you need, some. Not any, not the, not a. Some. How many students? Many student, much student, students, many. Many students. A. How many students? There is a loaf of bread, a loaf of bread, the loaf of bread. Oh, be careful. C. A loaf of bread. Number 6. I have umbrella. An umbrella? Yes, umbrella. An. B. Okay, that man. Who's that man? Who that man? Who is that man? Is who? Careful, this one. Who is? Letter C. These are the children's toys. Children is plural. I need apostrophe S. Children is countable. The children's. A. Those are Ken's books. Ken is a name with apostrophe S. B. Elephants are big animals. Elephants, plural. Countable. This one, A. How did you do? I bet you did great. You're an amazing student. Great job. You're all done. Hand in your work, submit, and have a great day.